VIVO Y12 password and account lock removed via MRT software. Make it set this setup in VIVO tab in MRT software.
Visit phoenixemer.blogspot.com. Emerlits Gsm Service.
Subscribe to Phoenix Emer. You can learn what you wanted to see.
Connect your VIVO Y12 in USB port without touch anything. If you need a PC driver for MediaTek Android, you can download it here. When the process is done, your VIVO Y12 is now back to factory startup and the password was erased. In here after formatted, the lock on account showed its FRP. The steps is same. You need to select now the FRP erase button, then start.
Subscribe to Phoenix Emer. You can learn what you wanted to see.